Hey there, I'm Rachel. Do you want to attract more coaching clients? It's definitely a challenge for many of us coaches. I've tried many things, from paid ads to buying courses to joining programs that promise 10 high-ticket clients in 30 days. Never happened. You can save a lot of time and money because the simplest way is really the only way that keeps getting me coaching clients, even and especially if you have no following, no big social media presence. Maybe you don't even want to post at all. I'm a life and career coach and I help people escape their 9 to 5 and figure out how to make money from their passion. I post consistently, I give value, I'm on Facebook, I'm on LinkedIn, I'm here on YouTube giving videos every single week. But it's rare that people come to me and say, hey, I saw your post. I'm ready to work with you. I'm ready to hire you. Here's my money. It doesn't work that way. It's not that simple. The simplest way works. It doesn't mean fast, but it's effective. If you want fast and a magic bullet, I'll tell you one in just a moment. The simplest way is free, entirely free, because you connect with the person. And there's no better way to connect than through conversation. And what is conversation? Conversation is a two-way communication between two people. What's the difference? The difference is that content, ads, websites, blogs, videos, all of that is one-way communication. It's one content piece bursting out to many, many people. On top of that, things like ads, yes, that is a magical quick fix, but it's costing money, it's costing time because you have to create, there's the landing pages, there's the list that goes attached to that, you have to be creative to create the design, a lot of technical skills that are added to that, and on top of that, an ad goes to so many people. Can you really find your ideal client through ads? Whereas through conversation, you connect and you figure out, is that my dream client? Is that a client that is really a fit for me? Is there a fit for both of you? Conversation is engagement. Conversation is possible through messaging on Facebook, on LinkedIn, emails, Instagram, Twitter, calls. It's not cold messaging. It's not cold calling. It's not like, hey, I'm here, buy my stuff. No, you engage in a conversation. Now, what are the steps to connect, to get the client, hire you, make the sale, and make money? By the way, if you like this content so far, can you hit that like button and the subscribe and keep watching and telling YouTube that you love my content so I can make more content just like this? Thank you. Step number 1, get clear on your ideal client. Get clear on your target. If you're not clear, let's talk. I'm a clarity coach, but seriously, if you're not clear on who you want to talk to, then how do you know? Like you need that clarity. Is it a student? Are you targeting a mom, a pregnant mom? Are you talking to parents, relationships, career? For me, I help people escape their corporate. So who am I targeting? Corporate people. The second thing is, where are they hanging out? So for me, my preferred platform is LinkedIn and Facebook because that's where they are. But it's more than that. If you know who your target is and you know what they enjoy doing, for example, I love being active. I love traveling the world. I'm a digital nomad. I love cats and dogs. In fact, I'm always in different locations. I'm dog sitting right now. There's one behind me here. And I will go to communities, forums, or even network events where there are fellow travelers or dog lovers or active in fitness. How many people have I met in the gym? And some of them turn into clients because that's how I connect. Another bonus tip is network hacking is where, for example, I will go and find bigger influencers. I'm interested in personal development. I'll go to a Facebook group from Bob Proctor, or I'll go to Tony Robbins, or I'll go to Grant Cardone because I'm interested in these people. They have a huge following. So where I'm interested in is also where my ideal client is hanging out. So I'll use their network to connect with those people and then start a conversation. So the first thing I'll do is send a connection request. In LinkedIn, it's called connection request. In Facebook, it's called a friend request. And hey, by the way, I'm still not posting. There's no need to post or be public. All of this is the conversation. It's in the messaging. So it's all private. Nobody has to see you. If you don't want to be public, you don't have to. And then you start a conversation, and not a sales pitch. That's what cold calling and cold selling is. And these cold DMs, they don't work. Be genuine, be authentic, and start a genuine conversation. Hey, I found you in this group. You like this too. Hey, I found you in the personal development. Hey, you have a cat too. Hey, you're traveling. Where are you now? I'm in this country. And you start a genuine conversation. Just like when you make friends, think about, what do you enjoy? When somebody sends me a DM, like, hey, this is what I do, this is my company, this is the service I sell, or this is the product that I sell, do you want to buy? No, I don't want that. So what do you enjoy receiving as messages? Send those type of messages. Ask them questions. Be interested in them. Ask about them. And start figuring out what they're struggling with, so that you can position your service or your product as a solution for them. And if you feel that there is a fit, that it could be a potential client, that you can actually help them with your service or your product, you can then ask them, hey, maybe we can hop on a call and have a chat, a live conversation. And if it doesn't feel like a fit, after you had a few conversations, a few chats, back and forth, and you don't feel a fit, that's fine. Have you ever heard, some do, some don't, so what? Next. Just move on. It's okay. There are plenty of fish in the water, so just move on and have more conversations and more potential clients. Coaching clients is one way to make great income, but it's not the only way. And that's why I made the video about other side hustles that you can make multiple streams of income easily. So go ahead and watch this next. I'll see you there.